Today I am making the tier list of EAS alarms from different countries. This is the Australian EAS alarm. If you hear that sound, you're probably already dead. I am putting that into A tier. French just sound like a bunch of loaded out, censored out swear words, and that's not a good oddly friendly. F tier. UK is simplistic like bread, and I'm loving it. S tier. Spain is the same thing, but this one reminds me of cheese. I don't like Irish people, so that's E tier. Only 0.0111111% of my subscribers are from Singapore, so F tier. Most of my viewers are from the United States, so that's S tier because I kind of had to pander to you guys. South Korea's alarm obviously isn't all that bad, but just to trigger up like the K-pop stands, I'm gonna put that in F tier. Good morning, sunshine. Let's see what's up here. What's that sound effect? What the? Is this some sort of like a racist day? Italian EAS alarm. I heard some remixes to this thing just yesterday. S tier. I love.
This alarm was so scary. I forgot to record the reaction.
Israel sounds like Siren Head, and I don't like Siren Head. German alarm is a banger. That is S tier. It's the end of the world that the Germans are just over here vibing. Swiss alarm sounds like how water tastes. Now, I know Canada does not actually exist. Yeah, right, Canadians. See, that's a thing. This alarm is from 1939. I don't know what their modern alarm looks like. It's better than Israel. So I'm going to put it right in the middle. Okay, so this has been 3 minutes of a kid organized in the shape of an E.